How to sell on Artpal. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell on Artpal. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Artpal, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Artpal, it is an online platform designed for artists to sell their artwork directly to buyers globally, in which it caters to a diverse range of art forms, allowing users to sell original pieces, prints, and various merchandise including paintings, sculptures, jewelry, and digital art. And one of the key features of Artpal is that it operates on a commission-free model, meaning artists can sell their artwork without incurring any fees, which is particularly appealing for emerging artists looking to establish their presence in the market. And the platform also offers a print-on-demand service enabling artists to sell prints of their artworks on various products. And now to start creating an account on Artpal, you could also click the link in the description, or alternatively just click the Sell Art button on the top panel to proceed, in which upon clicking this, you will be directed on this page. Then below here, just scroll down and just enter your email address in here, and also retype your email and start creating your own password. And after that, just proceed by clicking Create your free gallery button below here. Then you will be directed on this page, and from here, just simply fill out all of the required information, including this gallery name. I'm going to enter, for example, Mark's portrait. And below, just choose you are an artist or even a gallery. And upon clicking an artist, just click the next button. And below, it will show your gallery link. And aside from that, it will show you how you can start adding an item to your gallery and how you can start viewing your collection in here. And now to proceed, from here by clicking this add profile image, we'll automatically selecting, or we can simply select a profile picture from our computer files, in which it will serve as our profile picture on this platform. And after that, all you need to do is to wait for it to be uploaded. Then you will now be able to see here that the images has now been uploaded as your profile picture in here. And now to start adding an artwork from your gallery, just click this add items button right here to start adding an items. And it will show you under this print on demand some of the things that you need to consider before uploading an image, including some of the acceptable image formats such as JPG, GIF, BMP, PNG, JPG, and the other recommended file format. And in creating your own design, you could also use some other platform. For example, I'm going to use this canva.com. And just proceed from here. On the search bar, you can enter which kind of artwork you want to create. Let's say 3D mosaic. You will be able to see here all of the result of template that you can choose from. So from here, all you need to do is to simply select which kind of image you want to start customizing a template. Or alternatively, you could also choose different kind of artwork. For example, on the search bar, I'm going to enter portrait. And below it will show us the result of all of the portrait templates that you can choose from. And as you can see, some of them are offered for free, while some of them need to have an upgrade account in order to use those kind of templates. So from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply select which kind of portrait you want to customize. By clicking on it, just click this customize this template button, or below you could also choose the other template in here. Let's say this one, and click this customize this template. Then you will now be able to be directed on this page right here, where you can start customizing this template, including its context, its MIDI files, and even the background color and other layout in here. For example, I'm going to change this context, and I'm going to enter here this hue. But you could also use some other editing tools that you can find on the left side panel. But if you're now done editing, just click the share button on the top right corner. Then below, just scroll down until you click this download button to proceed. And after that, just choose the right file type before downloading this kind of template that we just customize. But make sure that the file type that we just download is also aligned with this requirements in here, in which it says here that the high quality image is important, and also an image that is no watermark with RGB color and at least JPG format is recommended. So we're going to download again this one, and at this point I'm going to download this with a file type of JPG. So can I click this one and click the download button to proceed. Then just simply go back on this page and just click the select images button below to proceed uploading or choosing the design that we just customized on Canva in our computer files. And after that, from here, just wait for it to be fully uploaded. Then you will now be able to see here that it is now successfully uploaded. And from here, by clicking this one, it will automatically show us on this pop-up window that we can start customizing the artwork title below here, the description, and any other product details or artwork details before selling this artwork on this platform. So from here, all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information. For instance, I'm going to enter here the title of this artwork, which is Instagram template. And below you could also enter or provide a good description here, which describe your artwork or the product that you're selling on this Artpal. So for instance, I'm going to enter high quality template made in Canva. And under keywords, you would also enter here some of the keywords that you prefer to allow buyers to search for your product by just entering on the search bar a specific keyword. For example, I'm going to enter here Canva, Instagram, and template. And you could also set to move this art position, but I'm not going to customize this one. And if this image is safe for children at work, just click this yes option right here. And under category, just simply select which kind of category does your artwork fall into. And I'm just going to select digital arts in here. And below you could also select either print on demand or originals by clicking or turning on this print on demand. You'll now be able to see here on this pop-up window to activate the print on demand. You also need to make sure that you also uploaded high quality images in here. So from here, you can simply review the images that you just uploaded on this platform. And now to proceed, kindly click this activate print on demand button below here. And wait for it to be fully activated. And after that, you will now be directed in here, in which it will show you that print on demand allows buyers to purchase prints of your image. And below here, you could also turn on this original if this is your original artwork. And below here, all you need to do is simply fill out all of the required information, including the short description, additional description, retail price, and even its actual pricing here. And as you can see, I'm going to enter here original design and layout, an additional description that is just only an optional. For the retail price, I'm going to enter here the retail price of this artwork amounting to $50, and the actual price of this amounting to $70. And after that, below here, you're also required to select if this artwork is signed or unsigned. And for the framing, you'd also select frame, and for the width, just simply enter here the width size and height of this artwork. And also for the materials, let's say you could choose either canvas or paper, but I'm going to choose canvas. And as you can see below here, you could also upload an additional images if you want to. And under the shipping cost, you could also select a set allocation, which indicate where will you be shipping from. So you can simply enter here your address in here to proceed. And aside from that, below you could also move this artwork to the top, but you're required to pay $0.99, or you could also keep this art default position. And below you could also link your social media account, including your Facebook, Twitter, and many more. And if you are now done, just proceed by simply clicking the Save Changes button below to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you will now be able to see here that the item has now been saved successfully. And if you go back to this page right here, it will show you that you also need to link your PayPal account in order to sell this artwork on this Artpal. But overall, that is just basically how you can sell on Artpal. Thank you.